You bringing the heat? What do you got? You got something good. You told me before we started. You're like, this is it.
So, RoboCop, what do you know about him?
Oh, you mean that I thought RoboCop was cool as a kid. I never saw the movie, but I had the poster.
Oh, really? Oh, man.
I had the poster. It takes place in Detroit, right?
Yeah.
No, I mean, I love the look of it and everything. I don't know why I didn't watch it. I probably wasn't allowed.
So, there's a new RoboCop.
Or an actual RoboCop.
Yeah, it's a real RoboCop. And he doesn't look like the regular RoboCop. He's actually looks like maybe like 3 feet. He looks like a cone.
He looks really friendly, actually.
He does, yeah.
He looks like he would fit in Japan as well. He's like an anime kind of thing.
Mm-hmm. And a police department in Southern California just released him, and he's, pursuing the streets. Just he's looking after a park called Huntington Park.
Okay.
And his cameras, there's like 360 views, and
nice.
He speaks, he says hi, and
nice. I don't mind
all
this.
the kids are safe.
I mean, he doesn't eat donuts. Oh, that's rude.
Yeah, it's
how dare they put that at the end there? I don't mind it. I mean, the surveillance thing. Do you want to be watched everywhere you go? Probably not, but look, having cops patrolling a friendly park like this could be a little intimidating. Just walking up and down the sidewalks, you're trying to relax, and you got all these cops everywhere. Him, on the other hand, you're kind of like, whatever. Mm-hmm. He seems pretty friendly. Yeah, the police would show up if they saw anything bad take place. And also, you assume that people, since they see this and they know they're being watched on a 360 camera, maybe they behave themselves a little more, or maybe they just go somewhere else to do their dealings. Jack, maybe they find another spot. I don't know. I don't mind this. But I could see where people get scared. They're showcasing him in like a friendly neighborhood park. It looks sunny out.
Yeah, apparently this job is perfect for him because you don't have to hire like police officers to really.
But if you picture the exact same guy in some post-apocalyptic run-down Baltimore, 2094, all of a sudden it's a different context. Spray paint on him.
Yeah, he's wearing a dress.
Yeah, I mean, it could go either way. But what you're showing me right now, it's got a friendly vibe to it somehow. Mm-hmm. Somehow, some way.